The AFRIDEX would be the right avenue for the service chiefs, the chiefs of defense staff, and the Ministry of Defense to collaborate and visit to determine what they can gain from the institutions or the development agencies that would be taking part in the exhibitions, because there is a lot that they would be promoting, more especially in the area of cyber warfare, where you now have a big challenge for most of the African armies. This would also be a great avenue for them to visit and understand exactly what they need and what can be provided, and we are to get it with the right institutions to approach.